Creating an entire PowerPoint presentation in seconds sounds almost too good to be true. But in this video, I'm going to show you how SlideSpeak AI works and whether it's actually worth using in 2026. SlideSpeak is an AI presentation tool that can generate slides from a simple prompt, a PDF, a Word document, an Excel file, or even an existing PowerPoint presentation. Instead of spending hours building slides from scratch, you can upload your content and let the AI create a presentation for you automatically. One of the most useful features is the AI presentation generator, where you simply describe your topic and SlideSpeak creates a complete slide deck with structure, content, and layouts. Another feature that stands out is the document chat tool, which lets you upload a file and ask questions about it just like talking to ChatGPT. This can be really helpful if you're dealing with long reports, research papers, or business documents and want quick answers without reading everything yourself. SlideSpeak also offers AI-powered summarization, so you could upload a PowerPoint or PDF and get key takeaways, summaries, and important insights in seconds. If you work with branded presentations, there are options for custom templates and brand kits so your slides can stay consistent with your company's style. During my testing, the platform felt very easy to use, and that's probably one of its biggest strengths. You don't need advanced design skills to get started, and the workflow is simple enough for beginners. Looking at user feedback online, many people like how quickly SlideSpeak can turn ideas and documents into presentations, especially for first drafts and brainstorming. Users often mention that it saves a lot of time compared to building slides manually. On the downside, some reviewers say the generated designs are not always presentation ready and still require editing before important meetings or professional use. Others feel that competing AI presentation tools offer more design flexibility and customization. There are also a few negative reviews mentioning support issues, although overall feedback appears to be generally positive. So, is SlideSpeak worth it in 2026? I think it depends on what you need. If you're looking for a fast way to create presentation drafts, summarize documents, or generate slides from existing content, SlideSpeak can be a very useful productivity tool. But if you're expecting perfect presentations with zero editing, you may still need to spend some time refining the final result. Overall, I think SlideSpeak is a solid AI presentation assistant that focuses on speed and simplicity rather than advanced design control. If you want to try it yourself, check out the link in the description. And if this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI tutorials and honest software reviews.